Bring a touch of feathered fun to your store with our Birds Novelty Items collection. Featuring our Big Eye Plush Flamingo stuffed animal. And our new Sand Coral Flamingo resin magnet. Brighten your shelves with our Birds collection of items including 3D wooden puzzles, paper gift bags, Bath Buddy Squirter toys, novelty resin pens, super soft stuffed animals, elegant wine stoppers, sparkling keychain charms, jewelry accessories, sparkling magnets, bauble magnets, nautical decor items, hanging wind chimes, decorative snow globes, and plush accessories like notebooks, plush seatbelt covers, and plush pens. Touch the beauty of the skies with our popular characters, including hummingbirds, owls, sitting crow, parrots, peacocks, and many more. Let your store take flight and get yours today. Only with Coda Global.